Hey guys, how's it going there? I'm hanging out at my local Benjamin Moore store, Peninsula Paint Centers up here in Paulsville, Washington, talking shop, and I wanted to show you guys some new spray accessories that I just got. These spray extensions are absolutely amazing. They are a game changer in the spray industry. I've been spraying for 22 years, and when I saw these online, I got very excited about being able to try to use these in the future. So these are quick connect fittings. So you have a fitting that attaches to your gun, and you have a fitting that attaches to your housing. Now it's just a simple third of a turn, and they come right off. No tools needed. I can switch from a 12-inch extension to a 24 or a 36, or I can switch back to no extension in probably 10 seconds. So the alternative is to use these old school spray extensions with the threads, where you got to sit here and thread it about 10-15 times, and you got to unthread your housing about 10-15 times. Use either channel locks or a wrench to tighten them up so you make sure they don't leak. But with these Triade Connections extensions, you might snug this up here once and you're good to go. Same with the housing, you snug it up onto the adapter and it's set and you're ready to spray. So check out Triade Connections. They have a website. They're also on Instagram, and I mean, genuinely, this is a really awesome tool. I'm super duper excited about this tool. I'm so blessed to receive these to try out. I can't wait to get them on the job site. They've been tested to last a really long time, and they have some O-rings inside that if they were to wear out, they're probably replaceable. So yeah, check out Triade Connections, you guys. These spray extensions are not much more expensive than the old school ones where you need tools to get it off while you're spraying. So, and these are also lightweight, very lightweight. So thank you guys for watching. Once again, check out Triade Connections. And tell your friends, because these things will change the spray game.